Hey everybody, it's Adam Wolf from NWIDA, and we are here with another one of our series of talking with our vendor partners. We are here with Andre Riley, the Chief Revenue Officer of Arcade. Andre, thanks for joining me.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me, Adam. Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
Yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit about Arcade and what they do, and your expertise is in helping retail stores make employees happier, increase sales. We've heard a lot of hiring issues from the stores. What issues are you seeing that's stopping the stores in attracting and hiring retail employees?
Adam, when we think about it, talking to a lot of different dealers out there, when we think about the market and what's going on now, number one is keeping those sales team members motivated and keeping them engaged. There's a lot of distractions, a lot of things out there. And so a lot of people are having challenges with that and really motivating their reps, keeping them engaged and making sure that they're hitting goals and hitting targets that set out for them within the business and everything there, and retaining the right employees, retaining those employees there. And with the Arcade solution, that's one of the key things that we focus on is really putting in a solution that helps drive employee performance and engagement utilizing gamification. And so ultimately what Arcade does is we integrate directly with the wireless retailers' point of sale system, pulling in real-time sales transactions and allowing leaders to set goals and incentives around different KPI and metrics there. And our solution will automatically message and engage with reps during the day and keeping them engaged with their goals and motivating them around this and really creating fun gamified contests. But most importantly, then taking the result and allowing people to win prizes immediately that they can cash in right within our platform. And so we think about this entire concept of our platform is really taking the goals and productivity, aligning that with their behaviors and actions and rewarding all in real time. And when we're doing that, every day we're motivating and we're engaging our employees on their KPIs, on their goals, and keeping them in tune with the right metrics that are set out by their leadership teams.
So the goal, really, the gamification part of it, that really helps increase the workers' productivity, right?
Absolutely. It's one of those components. And then definitely when we think about chat and communication built within Arcade, whether they're using Slack or Microsoft Teams or, Arcade has a native chat form built to it. That communication is the other aspect to it as well, to keep those reps engaged and motivated on our goals, but to also drive that messaging to them, letting them know where they rank, telling them the actions that are needed to hit goals and different metrics there. So that's another key element is the communication side of it as well.
And like you said, that's all done in real time. So if I'm leading my store and somebody jumps ahead of me, I'm going to find out, right?
Absolutely. And yeah, in Arcade, it's a mobile first application. So it's an app on their mobile phone. So as your sales reps, as they're seeing other reps make a sale and make a transaction, they're going to get a notification right there on their phone telling them, hey, Chris just passed you up. You're now in second place on accessory sales or boxes or activations or any of these KPIs. They're going to get motivated and engaged with that right then and there as it happens. So you kind of create and foster that healthy competition, but you also create that great culture which are in your organization on everyone striving to achieve and hit a target, hit a goal, and competing against each other and having fun while doing it.
So this works with everything in the store, works with new box sales and accessories. How about like add-ons like protection plans?
Absolutely, Adam. That's one of the powerful things within Arcade is that we can really gamify any metric. So within their point of sale system, whether they're having boxes sold, activations, accessories, protection plans, maybe there's goals coming down from the carrier that are on the dealers. Any of that data, if that data is in there, we can gamify and run that. And even beyond that, there are some other elements where team members are running contests on other things that may not necessarily be in your point of sale system, maybe things like customer reviews on Google or surveys or different things like that. Those are also other fun contests that you can run within Arcade and input that information. And then even thinking about onboarding and ramping up sales reps. When we talk about retention and the cost of employees today and what we're seeing in the market, right? It costs a lot more for a sales rep than it was a year ago, right? And so it's so much more important that the employees you do have are engaged and motivated, but then when the time comes, you have to replace and hire, how quickly can you ramp up that employee there? And so Arcade becomes another solution to help drive that ramp up time, whether you have training and courses you want them to do, and rewarding and incentivizing them as far as completion and things like that. Arcade can gamify elements of that as well.
So pretty much outside of, lunch hour, once the employee walks into the store, it can be part of your system.
Absolutely. Absolutely. In different ways that we can integrate, ways that we can pull that information in ways that dealers can manually go and input that in there. But really gamification is the aspect of really creating and driving those behaviors and motivating different behaviors and using gaming techniques to do that.
All right, folks, that there you have it. That's it. If you want to increase your salespeople's productivity, if you want to attract employees, if you want to retain employees, like I was kind of kidding around, anything outside of lunch hour or snack time once they walk into the store can be gamified. These guys can earn points and prizes literally every minute that they're working. Give Andre and Arcade a call, contact him. You can find them. NWIDA members get discounts on Arcade's pricing. So there's special deals there. You can go to our page, nwida.org/discounts. Just click on the fuzzy monster there with the pink background, the Arcade logo. You'll go right there. Or you can just go to arcade.co and I think they can sign up for more information there as well.
Awesome. Thank you, Adam.
Andre, thanks very much. Have a great day. I'm sure I'll see you soon.